I'm Laila. You're watching Laila's Home Cooking and Spices. On this episode, I want to show you how I make my Nigerian puff puff, which was requested for so long already. And today, I'm ready for it. Let's go for the ingredients. I need some all-purpose flour, pinch of salt, pinch of nutmeg, some warm water, and sugar. I have a bowl here and I'm gonna mix everything in this bowl with hand whisk. Add the sugar, pinch. I'm gonna add like quarter teaspoon of nutmeg. You can add up to half teaspoon, but I don't want it to have that much strong flavor, so a quarter teaspoon is enough for me. And then a pinch of salt, forgot to show you the main ingredient, which is the instant yeast. Add the instant yeast to it. We are pretty much ready to go. Give all the dry ingredients a mix. And then start adding your water little by little. And then keep mixing until you get a nice consistency. Everything has been mixing properly, and the consistency that you're looking for is this. Not too thick, not too thin. Now I'm gonna cover this with a cling wrap. You can use kitchen cloth. And make sure you keep this in a warm place. My warm place in my kitchen would be inside my oven with my oven off. Only the light gonna be on. That way it's gonna rise quickly. So I'm just gonna give this 45 minutes to an hour, and then we'll move forward. So now you can see my dough has been risen properly the way it should be. And now there is a few ways you can make the balls. You can either do it by hand or just use an ice cream scoop. This is a smaller one. If you want it to be the big size, you can use a bigger ice cream scoop. Just drop them. The oil is on medium heat. I'm gonna show you a few with the ice cream scoop and a few by hand. And another way is just use your hand. I'm used to do it this way. It is more faster. Just keep dropping. Don't add too much at a time, so the oil temperature gonna drop. Just put few, just like that. Just drop, drop, drop. Looks beautiful. Nice golden brown color. That's all I need over here. I'm gonna start removing this, and make sure you drain the oil. And I also have a plate with paper towel on it, so it can absorb the extra oil. Okay. One. And now it's time to turn off the stove. I made a big batches, so check the description below for full written recipe. If you think this is too much for you, you can just reduce the amount into half of each. Here is my puff puff. Hope you enjoyed this video with me today, and go to your kitchen, make this. You all have flour, yeast, warm water. Simply the nutmeg was completely optional. If you don't have nutmeg, you don't have to add it. And sugar, like, so simple for this yummy delicious snacks, great for Ramadan, especially Ramadan is coming. Hope you enjoyed this video with me today. I will see you next time with another great recipe. Let me know what you want to see next in the comment section below, and